Hey guys, I just received this gaming PC components from Gigantti. Let's have a look in the box just in a moment. This build is listed at 1,149 euros. I ordered it for 849 euros plus 6 euros shipping. So I think it was quite good value. It came in this fairly large box. Didn't fit in the posti packet machine, so they had to home deliver it. And here we can see all the components which are listed on the box. This is build 130. When we open up the box, we get some list of contents, which again lists all the components. And then there's a build manual or some kind of instructions, which guides on how to assemble the components. And what I find quite surprising is that they say it has a 5-year warranty, which is quite nice. Here there are instructions about the motherboard and about installing the cooler, and also instructions on assembling stuff into the case, and also the cables, all on the GPU installation, and even some instructions on the BIOS configuration. So next let's see what's actually in the box. So here we have the motherboard and all is in there. Then we have the Kingston RAM. This is only 60 gigabytes, so 2 times 8 gigabytes. That's a bit little for my use case, but I can always purchase some more. And then we have the 1 terabyte SSD disk or NVMe disk. And here we have the AMD Ryzen 5 CPU. So this is the tray model. Next we find the cooler. So this is Hyper 212 Pro. This is a cooler master. Cooler, quite heavyweight. And then we have a cooler master power supply, which is 750 watts. And here we have the ASUS GeForce RTX 4060 GPU with 8 gigabytes of VRAM. For my AI use case, this is maybe not the ideal choice. I would have preferred a graphics card with 12 gigabytes of VRAM because they are available for the same price range, but can always consider selling this one and getting a 12 gigabyte one instead. And the last thing in the box is the NZXT case. This is the black case version. And it says here on the side it's the compact mid-tower airflow case. Well, I don't know, is it that compact? It's rather large in my opinion. So I consider this is quite good value, considering I paid 849 euros for it, and I checked online on European price comparisons sites that one should be able to get these parts for 950 euros as new, so that saved me 100 euros. Of course, the components were not exactly ideal for my AI use case, but I think it was still good value. And I also had a 150 euro Gigantti gift card, which I was able to use for this purchase, so that was quite nice. The list price of 1,149 euros is not exactly that good, but then again, comparing to some of the other gaming PCs at Gigantti which are pre-built, I think this is a better option than a pre-built system, because many of the pre-built systems don't have that ideal cases or not that much I/O. They are downscaled and not that expandable. So I think this is a good choice if you want a kit system, if you can get it at that offer price. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.